Hey, welcome to the series of everything you need to know about Python in simplest possible way. In this video, we will try to understand membership operators. Before understanding of these membership operators, let me ask you a simple question. Let's say if you are coming any other programming language background or you might be practicing this programming, you might be aware of arrays or in Python we also consider them as list. Let's say I wanted to know a particular element present inside of this array or considered as list. What you do? Let me guess. You might be traversing of each and every element in the array and finding a particular element present inside of that array or not. This is considered as binary linear search. In binary search, you might be also doing binary search as well. So in order to not to do this whole process in Python, we have a particular method which is known as membership operators. By using these membership operators, we can actually know a particular element present inside of these sequences. We have different sequences also called as collections, ordered collections, unordered collections in Python. We can know a particular element present inside of these collections or not. So let's go ahead and understand how these membership operators works. In Python, we have two different membership operators. One is in and another one is not in. Another one is not in. These are the two membership operators we have in Python. So let's go ahead and understand programmatically how they works. Let's start with in. So in operator in such a way that let's say I wanted to find a particular element inside of this sequence. So it will go and check whether the particular element present inside of this sequence or not. If that particular element present inside of the sequence, it will return true. If it is not present, it will return as false. Let me consider a string. String is a collection in Python, right? So string is a collection of characters, right? So let me let consider a string as, let's say, subscribe. This is a string that I am having. So I wanted to know a particular element inside of this string or not. Let's say I am considering, let's say C. C is present inside of this particular string or not. So for that I am using our in operator. I am passing this string. So C in that whatever the collection that I am having. If I execute this, I am getting as true because the C present inside of this subscribe collection, right? Subscribe string. So because of that reason, I am getting as true. Let's say I am giving something else. Let's say I am passing A and I wanted to know A is present inside of the string or not. If I execute this, I am getting the false because nowhere I can find the element as A. Because of that reason, I am getting it as false. So this is about in operator. Let us understand not in operator as well. not in not in operator works in such a way that it will try to find a particular element, and if that particular element not present in the sequence, it will return as true. If the particular element present in the sequence, it will return as false. I hope you understood. If not, let me make it clear. The same string I will be considering here as well. This is the string that I am having. Let's say I wanted to know A is present inside of the string or not. A is not present inside of the string or not. I am considering is A and I am passing not I am taking this not in operator and I wanted to know whether it is not in or not. So that is giving true because A is not present in this string. Because of that reason, it was returning as true because it is not present. Let's say I am considering something else. Let's say S I am considering S not in string. So if I execute this, I am getting as false because S is present inside of the string somewhere here. So because it is present inside of the string, I am passing not in. Because of that reason, it was giving as false. I hope you have understood in operator, not in operator. If the element is present inside of the string, by using in, we can actually get this as true. If it is not present, in operator results as false. By using not in operator, if we pass not in operator something that is not present in the sequence, it will return as true. If that element present in the string in the sequence, it will return as false. Let us go ahead and understand with the different collections we have in Python. We have list, tuple, set, and dictionary. Let us go ahead one after the other and understand how this works in different collections. Let's say I have this fruits list, fruits, fruits list. I am considering apple, I am considering banana, and I am also considering, let's say, cherry. So these are the list fruits list that I am having. Let's say I wanted to know apple is present inside of this fruits list or not. I am passing apple in fruit. Yes. So I am getting as true because apple is present inside of this fruits list because I am getting this result. So let's say I wanted to know a tomato present inside of this fruits list or not. Let's go ahead and check tomato in fruits. If I execute this, I am getting false because tomato not present inside of this list. So let me take this same example and try with not in. I am putting not in here. If I execute this, I am getting as true because tomato not present inside of this fruits list. I am passing not in. It is not there in the list. Because of that reason, I am getting it as true. So I hope you have understood this, how this work in operator and not in operator with list. Let us go ahead and understand with tuple as well. I am taking the same fruits list here. I will convert this fruit list as fruits tuple. I am passing these parentheses because tuple is represented with this parenthesis only. So fruits tuple. My fruits tuple, I have apple, banana, and cherry. Let us see with same example that what we have considered previously. Instead of fruits, I will consider as fruits tuple. If I execute this, I am getting as true because apple is present inside of this fruits tuple. And the same example I will be taking as tomato is present inside of this fruits tuple. I am getting false because tomato not present in this tuple. I hope list. I strongly believe that list and tuple works in the same way. You don't have to worry much about this list and tuple. To make it clear, I will take another example also. Tomato not in. I will use not in operator now. And fruits tuple. If I execute this, I am getting as true because tomato not present in this tuple, and we are passing not in operator. We are using not in operator because of that reason we are getting true. Let us go ahead and understand with set. Set is unordered collections, but still this membership operator works as it works with any other collections. So let me consider a set, same set that what we are having here, and I will paste this here, and I will remove this and paste it as set, and I will remove this and give flower braces because flat set is represented with this. So I have fruit set and I wanted to know banana is present inside of this set or not. Fruits set and banana is present. Let's say I wanted to check a mango is present in this set or not. Mango in fruits set. A mango is not present in this fruit set. That is how list also works. If I go and check with not in operator, I will getting as true because mango is not present in this set and I am passing not in operator. Because of that reason, I am getting true. Right. So let's go ahead and understand with dictionary. Dictionary is one of the important thing that we need to understand. It will Let's go and see how it differs with the regular collections. So let me take this. I have a dictionary, and in my dictionary, what I have is that I have one is a key, and I am passing one which is of string like this, and I am passing two, and I am passing value of this two is two itself, and I am having three which is of key, and I have three which is of key, and I have three which is of something like this value. So this is the dictionary that I am having. Let us go ahead and understand this membership operator with dictionary. Let's say I wanted to check one is, let us change this dictionary into something like this. I have this num dictionary. Let us consider it as num dict. So I wanted to check one inside of this num dict or not. If I execute this, name num dict is not present. I am not executed this. Now if I execute this, I am getting as true because one is present inside of this dict. So let us go ahead and check with two num dict. Still I am getting true because 2 is also present. Let me check this. 1 in num dict. What do you think? This 1 is in num dict or not? Guess and comment in the comment section. If I execute this, I am getting false because this 1 is considered as value, but this membership operators works only with the keys, not with the values. Because of that reason, I am getting this as false. I hope you have understood what that means. Keys are considered as something like this. These are the keys, and 1 2 3, these are the keys, and the strings that what I have considered, these are the values. So in membership operator, it will consider only keys, not the values. Because of that reason, I am getting as false here when I am trying to know whether this one is present inside of this dictionary or not. Though one is present inside of this dictionary, it is present as a value, not as a key. Because of that reason, I am getting false. I hope you have understood membership operators. Let me summarize what we have discussed. Membership operators are two. One is in operator, another one is not in operator. In operator checks whether a particular element is present inside of the sequence or not. If it is present, it will return true. If it is not present, it will return false. Not in operator works in such a way that will checks whether a particular element present inside of this sequence or not. It will present, it will return as false. It is not present, it will return as true. In and not in are both opposite way that how they works. If we have understood with strings, list, tuple, set, and dictionary, I hope you have found this video interesting. If that is true, hit the like button and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.